A New Year celebration centered around spicy and delicious fried rice with hot chicken rajala and sausage can turn a simple family gathering into a lively, joyful event filled with aroma, color, and togetherness, beginning with decorating the dining space using fairy lights, colorful paper banners, and a neatly arranged table that builds excitement as the year changes. While in the kitchen, the celebration truly comes alive by preparing the fried rice first, using long-grain rice cooked earlier and cooled, heating a wok with oil, sautéing chopped garlic, ginger, and green chilies until fragrant, adding vegetables like carrots, beans, and capsicum, seasoning with soy sauce, a little oyster sauce, white pepper, and salt, then tossing the rice on high heat so every grain stays separate and smoky, making it spicy yet balanced, followed by the star dish, hot chicken rajala with sausage, where chicken pieces are marinated with yogurt, ginger garlic paste, green chili paste, black pepper, cumin, coriander, garam masala, and a touch of cream or milk for richness, then slow cooked with onions, whole spices, and slit green chilies until the gravy becomes thick, aromatic, and fiery, while sliced sausages are lightly fried separately and folded into the rajala at the final stage to absorb the spicy sauce and add a smoky bite, creating a unique New Year twist. And as the clock approaches midnight, the family can gather around the stove, tasting and adjusting spice levels together, laughing and sharing memories from the past year, before finally serving the steaming fried rice alongside the creamy yet spicy chicken rajala with sausage, garnished with fresh coriander, green chilies, and a squeeze of lemon, symbolizing warmth, unity, and a flavorful beginning to the new year that feels festive, satisfying, and made special by cooking and celebrating together in one happy moment. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like this and support my channel.